Okay, so first you want to measure the area that you want to be covered. And then even just make it a little bit bigger just to leave you wiggle room. So now I'm gonna measure the sheet, cut it, and then see if I like the size. All right, so once you have figured out exactly what size you want, you're gonna then iron the fabric. And then I chose the edges, so 2 of them are hemmed already, but I'm gonna take some iron on hem and hem the other sides. I forgot to mention what fabric I used for the rug. So it's just a drop cloth that you see here. I found it at Walmart, 10 bucks, and I only used like a piece of it, which is great. Stamp that I used for my DIY rug, and I'm gonna show you how to make that today. So I made my own using cardboard and jute string. I'm not sure if you know what kind this is. I didn't have a label and I don't remember when I bought it. So cut the shape that you want, whatever shape that is, and then create the pattern with the string using scissors and hot glue gun. Okay, so once you have the pattern that you want, you're gonna wanna actually do it again. So I double layered the string just so when I dabbed in the paint, it wouldn't get on the cardboard. So just give some security. Okay, so there you have it. Last thing I did was I actually glued a small piece of string to the back too, just for easy lifting on and off. So it's not necessary, but it came in handy. Okay, so assuming I'm just gonna go for this, I'm gonna tape off the areas that I want just to have straight lines. And so thankfully, this has some already. Either way, test area, test fabric. All right, there it is. Okay, you guys, it's done. I really like it. I love the variety of color. Like you can see, it just fades. I'm really liking it. Now I can't remember the rule with removing tape. If you're supposed to do it while it's wet, or let's try. I might just go for it. This side looks fairly dry. This one's still wet. So I'm thinking of adding a line or two in the middle of these with paint. So I'm gonna use a similar method. I'm gonna drag the string through paint and then I'm gonna like press it down. Okay, so here's a method I was talking about. I have the same string. I didn't cut it too long because I need to be able to press it down firmly. And then you put it in the paint and then just kind of just drag it through. Oops. You should roughly have paint everywhere. And then you take that side and then press it down where you want it to go. Okay, definitely like the lines. Oh, you guys, it's so cool. I mean, Personally, it's just so much cool when you make it yourself and you're like, yes, I did that. So I have a spot in mind for this, but if it doesn't work, then hey, you know, like if you wanted to do this, you could easily put it like underneath a welcome mat, somewhere it's not going to get stepped on a lot, just because the fabric's not super thick.